What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be starting the first iteration of something I like to call Mazda Monday. Now, if you know from my cross-track videos, I called it Mod Monday. This is going to be Mazda Monday. I feel like it flows a little bit better. Basically, what I'm going to be doing with this series, these are going to be quick little videos on little mods that you can do to enhance your car or spruce up your car, if you will. So these aren't going to be like super long install videos. They're just going to be like kind of like little things, because the little things matter in life, right? So in today's video, we are going to be installing some WeatherTech floor mats. All right, guys, so like I said, for today's Mod Monday, it's just gonna be WeatherTech floor mats. Now, Mazda's trying to be a premium brand. Well, they didn't come with premium floor mats. These ran me about 180 bucks from WeatherTech.com. I think the total with shipping and taxes, everything came out to about like 200, 210-ish. Not too bad, very functional mod. This will save your floors, and yeah, it's one that I highly recommend to anybody. This should be like one of the first mods you should do to your vehicle, period. I mean, it doesn't matter what you're driving. I will say though, my Crosstrek came factory with some Subaru type all-weather floor mats. Mazda didn't, and they're trying to be a premium brand. Come on, Mazda, step it up now. But anyway, guys, this is pretty straightforward. I'm gonna show you guys how to put them in. Like I said, it's pretty straightforward. I'm sure you can figure it out, but I'm gonna show you what they look like. The weird shaped one obviously goes on the driver's side, and it's got these little push downs for you to clip onto the actual clips on the bottom. So what we're going to do is, you can either keep your factory ones and just put these over top if you really wanted to. I'm just going to get rid of them because, you know, I don't really need them. And I'd recommend you vacuum out your car before doing this. Mine's brand new and I keep it pretty clean, so obviously there's nothing down there. So boom. There you go. And then you're just going to continue on with all the rest of the car. And there we have it, guys. Those are the old ones. And these are the new ones. It's not really much to see, I know. So that's them. This is an easy, quick mod that I think everyone needs to do to their vehicle, no matter if it's this Mazda or any vehicle that you might own. WeatherTechs are a must. So there's that. And coming around to the back, I didn't get one, but they do. Oh, come on, focus. So I didn't pick it up yet, but they do make a floor mat from WeatherTech for your trunk. If you wanted to go that route also, I'd highly recommend that too, especially if you're packing stuff in there. That one's like an extra $100. I just didn't do it. I'll probably end up doing it soon eventually. But yeah, so that's the trunk. And there you have it, guys. That was the first iteration of Mazda Monday. Like I said, these are just gonna be little mods that don't require a whole video of installation to do. They're pretty quick. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna end it here. I will see you guys in the next Mazda Monday. Peace out.